I said,
Wait.
stop sweating.
It's prayer and me? I skipped counting your time. I couldn't see him, but something on my eyes. I didn't plan on it, but I thought, hey.
Yeah.
This is a special occasion.
Right.
I'm so happy for you. Kind of. It's just a hangout. It's just a you and me.
Patty Mel.
Bon appetit. Oh, we're going to take a picture. Will you take a picture of us together?
Okay, let's do it.
She's just got baptized.
I know, she's over there. That's awesome.
Isn't it?